Hi, I am Maulin Shah. My son Darsham Shah is in grade 4 PYP. We moved him to GIIS this year from another international school in Singapore. We chose to move our son to GIIS because we liked the school's infrastructure. The modern learning facilities in classroom enhance his educational experience and support better learning. The other reason to moving him to GIIS was the school offers a wide choice of sports and extracurricular activities led by expert teachers. For example, my son has selected football and he is really enjoying learning it at the school. My son had been long associated with his previous school and hence he had strong bonding with friends and teachers there. So transitioning to a new school was definitely not easy for him. However, now he is well settled at GIIS with the support of new friends, teachers. He is well adapting to the different learning approach that IBPYP has and improving overall. The learning environment at GIIS is really engaging. Students regularly participate in classroom discussions. They research on various topics and they do individual and team presentations. We see that Darsham is enjoying all these activities and learning new things. We see him developing as a more dynamic learner at GIIS. My son is benefiting from the versatile learning environment that many other schools don't offer, like a global culture, leadership opportunities, advanced learning facilities, plus being surrounded by talented peers encourages him to strive for more. Considering all these factors, I think school fees are definitely justified. I would definitely recommend GIIS to other parents. Seeing the school's track record of good results and university placements, I feel my son has a bright future ahead.